Temporal dead zone. This is one of the important and advanced concept, which is not explicitly defined in the ECMAScript spec. But most of the developer understand this concept. But this concept is mostly useful in conjunction with the let and constant keyword. This is not applicable for the var keyword. Just to understand a little bit better, let me show the code first, then I'll come back to in this slide again. For example, I'll start with the var keyword. Inside this if condition, this is a true always. I define a variable first name profile. So if you try to access here, so what will it will happen? Can you guess? It will throw an error or undefined. So it will be undefined. Okay. If you try to access just above the if condition, what it will happen? It will also undefined. Okay, both the classes are undefined, means it is not defined. But if you try to comment it out, then both are complaining that this first name is not defined at all. It is not saying undefined, but there is an error. What does it mean? If you uncomment it again, this undefined is trying to say that I recognize that you have first name in somewhere in your code, but it is not available yet, or you not initialize with any value. But if you don't declare at all, then it is saying that I scan through all your code base, but I have not found. It is a completely error because you have to declare somewhere. And another related concept, this particular code piece, right, can be broken like this step. No? Let me comment it out. Okay, if you see here, if you try to declare this variable in the first line of the code, then you console.log, it will say undefined. And inside this if block, if you define it, then also it is saying undefined. Then this is like profile is printing. This is the editor behavior, but I am not putting console.log, but it is printing, but you still ignore it. But the main idea is that why this behavior is happening. This var keyword, why it is declared at the top. This concept is known as hoisting. Literally like flag hoisting, the way the flag will come to the top. So even though you declare over here, when this particular code will be start executed, there are two steps. One is memory allocation and another one is line by line code execution. Because if you know JavaScript is line by line code execution. But because to optimize or improve the performance, all the browser will declare, you scan the code first and declare the variable in the top. So they will allocate some memory. Okay. So in that is the reason this var keyword is declared at the top. That concept is known as hoisting. That is the reason if you do the console.log, it is undefined. And if you try to do type of undefined also, it is a string undefined. And if you do type of, in this case, it is a string of undefined. Type of will just tell which kind of type it is as a string notation. You know, if you if you do type of number, then it will say number. If you type a string, so it will do string. So this type of is just to see that which kind of type it is. So hope you understand about this var keyword. The important thing to understand this declaration is happening in the top of the execution of the code. In this is global script or inside in the top of the function, not here. Okay, it is not declared here. It is declared at the top. If you instead of using this var keyword, if you try to replace with the let keyword, then what will happen? Just for simplicity, I'll just comment this type of initially. Let me comment it this also. So here if you define this let keyword first name, and if you try to print over here, then it is saying that this first name is not defined. like whatever we seen in the where keyword, it is undefined, but let keyword, it is not defined. That means it is unable to recognize it, you know. Even though if you comment it out, this is also same issue, like first name is not defined. This is a consistent error because this particular code not sure like where it is defined. So if you see that, because, and also one important thing we discussed earlier, this let is block scope. That means it is only visible inside this block or the curly bracket. It is not visible outside. So the first name, it is not defined over here. And also the difference between the var and let is that the var keyword is not, we are not doing hosting like here. So in this case it is undefined, but this won't happen under the hood. So the variable defined using the let keyword is not hosted at the top. Only the var keyword is hosted at the top, is accessible everywhere. So the let keyword doesn't do that. Okay. But if you try to see that, try to print, let me comment it out and try to print here. So it is also throwing error. But if you notice that there is a difference of error both the case. Okay, just let me comment it out. The first one, it is saying the first name is not defined. Because at this moment, it is as if like it doesn't exist, you know. If you define inside it, I don't know about it. But if you see here, it is complaining about cannot access first name before initialization. That means it is able to recognize it. There is some variable here. So this error is different. So I'll try to explain what is happening under the hood. Why we are getting to different error. Is hoisting happening here or not? That is the question. Because somebody will ask the question directly, can the let and constant do hoisting happen? So you should be able to answer this clearly, you know. So the hoisting at the top level doesn't happen, as you can see. But inside this happen. So let's see what happened exactly under the hood. So that is where this temporarily dead zone concept is coming into the picture. So here we define the let first name profile. Here we are trying to, even though we do type of, or we are trying to directly access the first name, it is throwing error. Reference error, cannot access first name before initialization. Right? But if you access above it, it is saying that undefined. And because of this little bit strange behavior, if you do type of here, it will throw the same error. But if you do type of in the beginning, it will see undefined. This undefined is consistent like as you are not defined there. So there is no much magic into that. But this is simple, you know, even though you don't define a variable, let's assume you just cross it out, you don't define. So this will be consistent behavior even though you don't define using the anything. So type of first name would be undefined. And if you try to access first name, it would be reference error. First name is not defined. Okay. But interesting thing is that what happened here. So if you define using the let keyword or the constant keyword, hoisting also happen here. Very important. The hoisting happen. Hoisting means the declaration will happen above the code where the code is executed. This is the code, this is the place the code should be executed. But hoisting means the declaration or memory allocation happens just above or the starting of the block. Remember, okay? Starting of the block, the declaration happen because it is behavior like let first name is defined in this line. And then the initialization happen. But the declaration or hoisting is happen in a kind of box or the wrapper, you know, not in a global or function scope. It is happening in another concept or kind of, you know, known as temporal dead zone. It is a dead zone. So even though you declaration happen here, if you try to access it, it doesn't throw a undefined here. Because the browser becoming smart and the thing that undefined is not a meaningful, you know, error to throw. The browser want to give a very meaningful information. That is the reason they, instead of moving into the scope what is already moved by where keyword, they want to do intelligently, they move into another space known as TDZ or temporal temporal dead zone. In this case, if you try to access it, it will throw in runtime error. But the hoisting happen, but hoisting happen in the TDG zone. Okay. So if you try to access it before you initialization, then it will throw an error. And also, even though you do type of, it will throw error. Even though you will do try to access it, it will throw error. But it will clearly say that you cannot access this first name before initialization. It won't say that you are not defined. It is saying that I recognize it, you defined it already, that is all good, but you cannot access it before initialization because there is no value to it. And it also won't contain the undefined also. That is the important thing. But once this line is getting executed, let first name, then this variable is removed from this temporal, the pointer, because it already declared initialization happened. Then this pointer, it will be crossed out. So if you try to access after that, then the variable, there is no error. So you can able to access the first name and print it the variable. So already I shown this example in code. Let me summarize it real quick. So let propel name. So here it is a throw error. Cannot access first name before initialization. But if you try to access before that, it is like not defined because it doesn't recognize it. So if same case, if the constant also, this is be applicable to, both let and constant. Constant also same before that, but if you try to access it inside it, you cannot access first name because in this case it would be stored into the TDZ or temporal dead zone, but it is hoisted. This is declared here, like it is something like declared here. Okay, just let me try to do let. Declare means it happens something like this, okay? But if you try to print here, but it is undefined in this case. But if you explicitly do that, but if under the hood, if the browser do that, then instead of returning undefined, it will throw an error, saying that you did the hoisting, we did it, but it is not a correct behavior. So we want to keep a TDG temporal dead zone, and will throw an error to you instead of undefined. So hope you understood about TDZ and have a good day ahead. Bye bye.